Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make our Koso Lower Sugar Strawberry Frozen Yogurt Popsicle. This is a great snack for hot summer days, especially if you are worried about sugar intake. You might think strawberries contain a lot of sugar because they are sweet. That's not true. Strawberry only contain 1/3 of sugar found in apple, half of sugar found in blueberries and orange. The secret is aroma compounds strawberry contains. There are hundreds of aroma compounds in strawberries. Those aroma compounds tells your brain strawberries are sweet. Isn't it amazing? Today I'm going to use fresh strawberry to make popsicle. I always combine fruits and some kind of protein. Protein makes you feel fuller and feel full longer, so you don't overeat when you combine carbohydrate like fruits and protein, and you don't feel hungry after a few hours. Today I'm going to use Greek yogurt. This is high in protein, so makes you feel fuller longer, and fresh strawberry. I just picked them yesterday, and mint. Mint and strawberry always goes well. And I'm going to use our Koso to add more probiotics and prebiotics and also postbiotics to support our gut health and to add some sweetness to this popsicle. This is our new product, our KOSO Lower Sugar. So sugar content is a lot lower than original one. We added a little bit stevia and a list of those natural sweeteners. So people with strict diet plan or some health issue can also enjoy our KOSO. This is optional. I'm going to add a little bit cacao nibs for some bitterness and crunchiness. You don't have to add this if you don't have it. You can also use dark chocolate. I'm going to use this silicone popsicle mold today. I found this at Target. You can find something like this at Whole Foods, Dollar Store, Walmart, pretty much everywhere in this season. You can search online. There are so many different options. Strawberry season in North America is almost over. You can always use frozen strawberries or other kind of fruits. Blueberries, banana, mangoes, orange, and kiwi, any fruit you like. This is so easy to make. You just put everything in the blender and blend until it's smooth. Pour the liquid into the mold. Put it in the freezer for at least 2 hours and enjoy. If popsicle doesn't come out easily, you can use warm water or water. You soak popsicle mold in the water and wait for 30 seconds. And you can get popsicle easily. Hope you like this KOSO Lower Sugar Strawberry Frozen Yogurt Popsicle. Snack healthy. Thank you for watching.